today's topic, we will be covering Lesson 4.3, Business Ethics and Social Responsibility, found in our Intro to Business textbook. The goals are to explain the importance of business ethics and to describe how businesses can be socially responsible. Ethics are the principles of conduct governing an individual or group. Business ethics are rules about how businesses and their employees are expected to behave. A code of ethics is a set of rules for guiding the activities of employees or members of an organization. Examples of topics covered in codes of ethics: protecting confidential business information, treating others with respect, showing integrity in all business conducted. Ethical conduct: setting a good example, doing business in other countries, educational programs. Social responsibility refers to the duty of a business to contribute to the well-being of the community and society at large. When a company tries to be socially responsible, it must consider the interests and concerns of many groups. Common social concerns: 1. Protection of the environment. 2. Inclusion of minorities and women in the workplace. 3. Employment of physically challenged and older workers. 4. Safe and healthy work environments. Conservation is preserving scarce natural resources. When the environment is contaminated with byproducts of human activity, the result is pollution. Businesses are increasingly sensitive to the roles of women, ethnic groups, the physically challenged, and older workers in the workplace. Members of these groups must have equal access to education, training, jobs, and career advancement. Having a safe place in which to work is important to all employees. They should be able to work in an office or factory free from risks that could cause accidents or illnesses. In addition to protection from physical harm, workers need to know how to deal with the unexpected. Safety also involves training in how to work safely and what to do in case of an emergency. To protect workers, most companies have put a variety of programs into practice, often in cooperation with the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, a government agency that sets, regulates, and enforces safety standards. Many U.S. companies have operations in other countries. This can have a positive effect on another country's economy. However, while conducting business internationally, U.S. companies should comply with societal expectations and standards. They must act as good citizens and be aware of the other country's customs to avoid offensive actions. If U.S. companies have production facilities in another country, they should not pollute or harm the environment in any way. Unfair labor practices, such as child labor, are often found in other countries. By working only with foreign businesses that adhere to fair labor standards, U.S. companies are operating in a socially responsible manner. U.S. businesses have a responsibility to operate in a way that benefits the other country and its citizens. Businesses benefit from being socially responsible. It is good for their company image, it reduces the need for government actions against them, and it helps to improve the quality of life in the community. Today, more than ever, workers and consumers are aware of social responsibility among businesses. While many businesses want to be socially responsible, they have to deal with the fact that social responsibility often involves costs that reduce profits. Money spent for non-polluting technology, for building renovations to remove hazards, for wellness and rehabilitation programs, and for social projects are business expenses. Businesses contribute significantly to the economic life of a community. Yet to remain in business and continue to make such contributions, they must earn a profit. Businesses that are not profitable will close their doors, will lay off employees, and may cause local economies to suffer. Striking a balance between being socially responsible and earning a reasonable profit is a challenge for businesses of all sizes.